Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches, ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Most demanding, most likely collection, daily use collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice, beautiful, different designing. Some are crochet step style, leather step style, chain step style, wooden handle, metal handle. Beautiful designing, beautiful ideas. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function, and casual at your office. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones, button-up style, pocket style, zipper style. Beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Follow my channel, good comment section, and you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.